Okay, here we have a tool that has been set up. I'm here to check the tool to make sure that it's bottomed out correctly in a safe, mannered way. We'll make sure the power is off. Open this up. Turn on the bar key. Then you hit the bar button and slowly bar it down. Now, I know the tool's bottom up because these plates are closed very tightly and there's a bottoming block behind the tool, and that should be touching because we can't go any further than we did already. So when that's done, we'll bring it back up, push the bar button, bring the bar tool back up the ram, and stop at 0. That means you're completely up at top. Close your door. We'll take a little dab of grease here, just a small little dot here, like so, to now we'll turn on the power. Let the motor warm up a little bit, and we're going to stroke it through. And that, if it's bottomed out in the bottom, the grease should disappear. And it did. So that tool is now bottomed out, ready to... Okay, another example of bottoming out. This tool has, we call this a heel and toe. And someone previously put grease on there. And these little presses, you must bring down by hand with the power off. Now you bring it down, you can see that the heel's touching the toe. So the way the tool was made by the tool room, if you bottom out there, the part should come out good. So when you look at a tool, a part, you can see that after you hit, you'll see a little small line on top of the radius. That determines that the part has been bottomed and the material has been bottomed out with the tool to achieve a flatness line on the part, both sides, here, this side, and this side. Now, if it wasn't bottomed out, it would be completely round. You wouldn't have a flat line at the top of the radius here. That's one way of eyesight on a flattened out part to start with, and you go with dimensions from there on. Here we have a 306 Pierce tool. This is a blank. This is what it looks before, this is what it looks like after. So you can see that this tool is only piercing out this little piece here and this little hole here. Now, a pierce you don't have to bottom out. A pierce, you just set your part in here, and most pierces are burred down. Now, as far as bottoming out a gang pierce, all you gotta do is pierce enough to pierce out this hole and this hole, not any further, or you'll ruin the punches that are in the tool. So I'd say about 20,000 depth for the slug to go through the die, created by the punch that's inside the top part here. So before and after, you don't have to enter that deep, just enough to remove these two pieces from the part, off the part, to the part. So you really don't have to bottom out again, it's just enough to pierce it out.